It is not immunity that is required, it is spirituality that is required to be happy. There is no death, there is no tragedy. The more you see tragedy, the more ignorant you are of the basic facts of life and death. Swamiji, I am a spiritualist. Where I work for everything good in the environment, I am not obsessed by that.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.